Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're covering engine code P0325, which stands for knock sensor 1 circuit malfunction, bank 1. If you've got this code on your scanner, I'm going to walk you through what it means, what causes it, how it affects your car, and how to fix it, step by step. P0325 means your car's engine control module, ECM, isn't receiving the expected signal from the knock sensor on bank 1, that's the side of the engine with cylinder number 1. The knock sensor detects vibrations caused by abnormal combustion, what we call knock or pinging. It alerts the ECM, which then adjusts ignition timing to prevent engine damage. When the ECM doesn't get a signal from the sensor, it throws the P0325 code. Symptoms of a faulty knock sensor or related wiring can include the check engine light coming on, poor acceleration or hesitation, engine pinging or knocking sounds during load, reduced fuel efficiency, and sometimes no noticeable symptoms at all. But that doesn't mean you should ignore it. There are a few common causes of this code. Faulty knock sensor. Over time, sensors can fail internally and stop sending signals. Damaged or corroded connector, moisture, oil, or dirt can disrupt the connection. Broken or shorted wiring that runs along the engine can become brittle or burned. ECM malfunction, rare, but if the ECM's input circuit is damaged, it might not detect the sensor. Engine mechanical knock, sometimes the engine is actually knocking, and the sensor is just doing its job. The most common issue? A bad knock sensor or its wiring. Here's how to diagnose a P0325 code. Use a scan tool, see if any other codes are present. Monitor live data for knock sensor activity. Inspect the knock sensor and wiring, look for broken wires, corrosion, or loose connectors. Test sensor resistance with a multimeter. Most sensors read between 500K to 600K ohms, but check your vehicle's manual. Tap test. With the engine running and a scan tool connected, lightly tap near the knock sensor. If the signal doesn't respond, the sensor might be bad. Check voltage at the connector, no power. Trace it back to the ECM or fuse box. Be sure you're working on bank 1, that's the side with cylinder 1, and the sensor is often hidden under the intake manifold. Fixing this code usually involves one of the following. Replacing the knock sensor. Repairing or replacing wiring or connectors. Cleaning dirty connections. Clearing the code and test driving the vehicle to confirm the repair. Be sure to use OEM or high-quality sensors, as cheap knock sensors can cause repeat issues. Can you drive with a P0325 code? Technically, yes, but your engine won't be able to adjust for knock, which could lead to long-term engine damage. If you're hearing knocking, avoid hard acceleration and fix the issue as soon as possible.